In this video, I'm going to show you how to add halftone effects to your digital artwork using my halftone brushes and patterns. As you can see, I've already created the bulk of this illustration, but it needs texture and depth, and I'm going to use the brushes to add that. So, to use the brushes, simply select one from the tab by clicking on it, like so, and then select the brush tool from the Tools menu, and then draw a line. Now you can repose your line after you've drawn it if you're unhappy with it by dragging the anchor points and also deleting them like so. And if you want to change the colour of your brush stroke, simply select it and either adjust the sliders on the tab here or click on a swatch like so. You can also change the size of the dots by adjusting the stroke width. The trick with these brushes is to build up tone by layering the brush strokes and altering the colour. So I'm going to add another layer of brush strokes just on top. Like so, and then I'll pick a different swatch, make them darker. And I'll change it to a different set of halftone. Now as you can see, the edges of the strokes overspill the edges of the bird. And to get round this, I'm going to apply a clipping path to the brush strokes. So I'm going to use the bird's body as a clipping mask. And I do this by selecting it and then copying it and using the paste in front menu. And now I want that path to appear in the stacking order above the brush strokes. So I select Object, Arrange and bring to front. And now I'm going to select the brush strokes as well and use the Object, Clipping Mask, Make menu. As you see, it clips your brush strokes nicely at the edge. Now I'm going to add a lot more depth by adding further brush strokes, and I'm just going to skip ahead to save you watching all of it. And there you have it. By layering up lots of brush strokes, you have a lovely textured bird. Now, one final thing I'm going to do is to demonstrate how the patterns work by adding one to the background. And it's as simple as creating a shape. I'm just going to create an oblong there, and going to the Swatches tab, and making sure you have fill selected here, and then just clicking. Now all of the patterns are set to the colour black, and to change that, just go to Edit, Edit Colours, and adjust colour balance. Now I'd like to make this white, so I'm going to move all the sliders to 0 and click OK. And that stands out a little bit too much for me, so I'm going to adjust the opacity, and then it blends in with the background a little bit more. And there's your finished bird. Give it a go yourself. Thanks for watching.